Hello everyone! Welcome to the episode 8 of the VA Mastery Series. I am so excited to have you all here today. This video is pre-recorded but I'll be live in the comments, so if you have any questions, just pop it in there and I will answer you right away. Before we dive into our topic for today's episode, allow me to introduce myself first. Um, you might be wondering, who is this girl popping up live today? Well, my name is Mary Ann Briones. I am from Monetize Your Skills Academy, Jodi Marvin's virtual assistant, all the way from the Philippines. I am covering for Jodi today. She's on vacation with her family and friends. Hey Jodi, if you're watching, we miss you here, but enjoy your vacation, spend time with your family and friends, take time for yourself. You really deserve this break. Um, you've been working so hard, especially for the VA Accelerator program, so take your time and we will see you soon. So a little more about me. I have been working from home as a virtual assistant since 2020. Um, Before I transitioned into this VA business, I was an admin assistant for 10 years at a truck trading company here in the Philippines. Why I left my corporate job and how I transitioned into freelancing is another side of the story. If I am given another chance to show up here, I would be happy to share it with you, amazing ladies, especially those who are planning to get out of the 9 to 5 grid. But for now, let's talk about your very own home office. Whether you're just starting out or planning to improve your current setup, today's tips will help you create um, a space that will boost productivity and comfort. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you my home office, but please don't expect too much, okay? Okay, let's get started. First things first, choosing the right space in your home is crucial. You want a quiet area where you can focus and be free from distractions. If you don't have a separate room, don't worry, I don't have a separate room for my workspace either. Even a dedicated corner in a quiet area can work wonderfully. Make sure it's comfortable and that it feels like a work zone that will put you in the right mindset. My home office is located right after our living area and before our dining area. We are living in an apartment, and for now, that is the best area for me to work, even though if we have guests coming over. I've tried to work in the bedroom before, but it doesn't work for me. There are only occasions when I need to work in our bedroom, like if I have client calls and my family is still enjoying their time in the living area or having meals. So I'll just grab my laptop, close the door, layer some pillow to serve as my desk, and I can take that call. Next up, your equipment. A reliable computer and high-speed internet are must-haves. Invest in a good quality chair and desk to ensure you're comfortable during long hours of work. Lighting and ventilation are important too. Make sure your space is well lit to avoid straining your eyes and maintain airflow to keep comfortable. And don't forget about storage. Organizational tools and shelves can help keep your workspace tidy and efficient. Now, let's talk about setting up your space to maximize productivity. Consider ergonomic tools like a stand for your laptop, an external keyboard or mouse. If you're like me, a pen and paper person, having a planner or a simple notebook will work for your notes. And very importantly, establish a routine that defines your work hours and breaks, helping you stay focused and balanced. They say you can be productive working from home, but let's face it, there are a lot of distractions around you. Your household chores, your kids, your pets, the new Netflix release, your phone, your social media accounts. So it's really important to establish a routine and manage your time. Ay, camera. Hi! And here's my bonus tip. If you're just getting started and you don't have the budget to invest in the items that I mentioned, don't be discouraged. You can start with what you have. As long as you have a computer, a reliable internet connection, a comfortable workspace, and let's not forget your skill set, you can become a virtual assistant. So there you have it, my 4 tips for setting up your virtual assistant home office. To wrap up, remember that your home office is where you'll spend a lot of your time. So make it a place where you can be productive and comfortable. Experiment with what best suits your workflow and keep improving your space as you grow in your VA career. As promised, I will give you a quick tour of my home office. Let's go! So here's my home office. It looks like a corporate office, don't you agree? Here's my desk. This piece is very valuable to me because it was made from scrap woods and beautifully painted by our friends. I've been using this since the very start and it's very durable. I have my desktop, my work phone that I use for social media management, and my laptop so I can work anywhere. I also have a mannequin here. I am manifesting owning a boutique someday while working as a VA. Do you think that's a good idea? On this side, you'll see my business permits, our family photo, and my very first headshot. This corner also serves as my inspiration. And here's my office chair. It looks old because of the cover. I intentionally put that on because my cats love to scratch it. On this side is my storage. Aside from being a VA, I also love creating handcrafts like crocheting. So I keep my yarns and other crafting materials here. I also have an old office chair that I got from my previous job. Thank you all for joining me today. Feel free to ask any questions or share tips from your own experiences. If you've already set up your workstation, we'd love to see it. Share a photo in the comments and inspire others to set up their own home office too. I also would like to take this opportunity to invite you to join our VA Accelerator program. Enrollment is still open. If you're in the corporate world and want to get out of the 9 to 5 grid, or you're a mom who wants to stay at home and take care of your kids while contributing to the family's finances, or you're just looking for a better source of income, this program is for you. 4 years ago, I was just like you, dreaming of a job where my time would be flexible. I am not yet a mom, but I am a wife who has a lot of dreams for the family we're building. Transitioning into the VA world is the best decision I've ever made, not just for my career, but for my family as well. This program isn't for free, but definitely worth investing in. Thank you again for joining me today. Hope to see you soon. Bye!